fresh water tank, the clean water, up to the fill line. And as you can see, there's nothing leaking out of it at all. Once it's placed into the machine and seated in properly and snapped, after a few moments, the water will start to dribble out. As you can see, it's on the floor, and I have not even turned on the machine yet. And water continues to just dribble out without it being even running. And you can see it's getting to be more and more. It's quite a puddle.